Let me show you how simple it is to assemble. First, you take off the yellow cap, put that aside. Then pick one of your colors, I'm going to choose red, and you put that on first. Next, you grab one of the shades and you pop that right on top. Lastly, you can take whatever color you wish, sandwich it on top, and then all you need to do is place back the yellow cap. And then it will secure nice and snugly to make almost like a little parasol for your plants. Getting it on top is as simple as popping it right into the plant itself, and voila! Suddenly your flowers have the protection they need from the sun. Now let's say, for example, your plant is actually much taller. The great thing is, with every shade dot, you get an extension. So the regular rod is 22 inches, but the extension is 14. So you get even more height if you need it. And let's say, for example, you live in a winter climate, then all you need to do when those months are a little bit cooler and you're kind of settling in for the winter season is you can wipe them down, keep the box, and store them in the garage until next summer. I absolutely love my shade dots, and I love how they protect my flowers.